Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
One of the close companions of the Prophet, Yazid ibn Qanab, narrates the incident of the amazing birth of Imam Ali in the following words.
Abbas ibn Abdul Muttalib and I were sitting among a group of members from the Bani Abdul Azzi tribe, facing the Kaaba. We could observe Fatima bint Asad, who was still carrying Imam Ali in her womb, walking towards the Kaaba. It was evident that she was undergoing labor pains, and we could hear her conversing in these words with her Lord.
O my nurturer, I have full faith in you and your Prophet, peace be upon him, as well as the books that you have sent. I testify the words of my forefather Abraham, the one who had built the Kaaba. For the sake of the one who built this house and for the sake of the child that I am bearing, make this delivery easy for me.
At that moment, I witnessed that the rear wall of the Kaaba suddenly cracked open and Fatima entered into it and disappeared. Abbas ibn Muttalib and I approached the crack at once, thinking that we too would be able to pass through it, but found the wall closed. We immediately understood that this was a divine act. Fatima bint Asad walked out of the Kaaba on the fourth day with her baby, Imam Ali, in her arms.
This incident has been confirmed by numerous reliable sources, making this event the first and the last of its kind.